When a boat is created, you should choose the main boat currency. Click on Choose Currency. All boat petty cash balance will be shown in this currency. Click on Save. Then you should fill your role on this boat. Choose the system role. If you're a captain, you choose Master. If you are a manager, you choose Manager. If you are an owner, you choose Yacht Owner. If you are a crew member, choose the crew member. For example, we choose Manager. Then you should click Save. If you are Master or crew member, you should fill the following details: the position, captain, kind of contract, seasonal, start date of the contract, end date of the contract you should choose, salary amount, choose the currency, per month, per day, per month. Click on Save. It means successfully set himself a role on this boat.